Hello guys, welcome to Tech for Dummies. Today I'm here to teach you about AD tutorial 2. So moving on to our today's agenda, we will know what are domains, what are trees, what are forests, what is AD trust relationship, what is parent-child relationship, and what are FISM roles, which is nothing but what are FSMO roles. So moving on to our first topic for the day, which is what are domains. Domains is nothing but it's a logical group of network objects which are consist of computers, users, or any devices which shares the same Active Directory database. That is nothing but a domain. So moving on to our next topic, what are trees? A tree is nothing but it shares the continuous namespace in a domain. So a domain can have multiple tree root domains. For example, let's say I have created a domain with a name called techfordummies.com, and if I create the subdomain with the name called a.techfordummies.com and another domain with b.techfordummies.com, which is nothing but I am using the name of the parent root domain, which means these two domains becomes the three root domain, and also they are also called as child domains because they have the parent name in that domain name. So for example, let's take an example like our family relations. Like if you are a father and you have a surname of Muhammad or Reddy, the same surname would be given to your children's, but the name of your children, the first name would be different, only the surname would be same. So the same here as Usman.com and a.usman.com. Here Usman.com is a parent and A is a child of Usman.com. Okay, hope you have understood what are trees. Moving on to our next topic, what are forests? Forest consists of domains. A domain can have multiple tree root domains. So altogether, domain tree and domain club together called as a forest. Forest, we say forest because it's a unique and which shares uh, the schema, overall schema to the multiple domains or tree root domain in a forest, which has same everywhere. Schema is nothing but how your Active Directory is structured. That is nothing but a forest. Moving on to the trust relationship. Trust relationship is nothing but, let's say, for example, you have a forest with the name called Usman.com and another forest with the name called Surendra.com. These are two different forests. And if some Usman.com users want to access any resource in the Surendra.com forest, we need to create a trust. When these two domains trust each other, then only Usman.com or the Surendra.com can access their resources. So we have different types of trust relationships in the Active Directory. Let's see it clearly. This is nothing but a parent-child trust. So here see the parent name is ad domain a.int, and you can see over here a child domain name is child a.ad domain a.int, and another domain is child b.ad domain a.int, which means here you can see clearly the both the child domains has the parent domain name in their namespace. That's the reason it is called as a parent child trust. And by default, parent trust the child and child trust the parent. And this is a shortcut trust, and we have external trust, and this is the forest trust. Moving on to our parent child relationship, as I've said, this is our parent domain, this is our child domain. Here you can also see forest a dot local. Here the child has sub dot forest hyphen a dot local, which is nothing but forest hyphen a dot local is a parent domain name and sub is our child domain name. Club together form a child domain controller. Next, moving on to our next topic, which is what are FISMO roles or FSMO roles, or the full form of FISMO roles is flexible single master role. So we have two types. One is forest wide roles and other is domain wide roles. Forest wide roles, we have schema master and domain naming master. And in domain wide roles, we have a read master, PDC emulator, and the infrastructure master. Uh, and the main important thing which I forgot to tell you that the domain controller, whichever is built first in a domain, is also a forest root domain. Okay, and the subdomains whatever are created will have the domain wide roles. Each domain has domain wide roles. So, and but in a forest, if you have multiple domains, only the forest wide roles will be holding on one domain controller in a forest, not on any other domain or any other tree root domain. uh, that's it for the day. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked my AD tutorial too. In my coming videos, I'll let you know about the FISMO role in detail, and also Active Directory sites. I Thanks for watching it once again. Please like and subscribe our channel. Please support us. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.